Hello folks, I think that I'm totally visual to you all now. So this is your Snehasis party from the team of Mission S. So if you haven't watched my video which I have placed in YouTube about the squeeze system which has been placed by Iltutmish, then I usually recommend you to see the video once again for getting information about how the tomb manufacture has been going on in the old and ancient period. So whenever we are going to discuss about Rajia Sultanate or Delhi Sultanate period, usually lot of big tombs have been built under the South Delhi portion. So how it has been inculcated, how the manufacture process has been going on. So what are the significant role in placed by the labor who are architecting the designs, who how the engineers usually place themselves in a prominent part when they usually give the design procedure of building a big tombs which can sustain for year longs, big tombs which can sustain for year longs. That's the thing which I am going to stick on about the additional information part. So in the additional information part I will be discussing about the squeeze system properties, architectures, how the Sultan Samsuddin Iltutmish usually manufactured the tomb and how he usually sacrificed his life in 1235 due to high fever. We will be discussing in detail about those all points with you in this video lecture. So please watch my video for getting more understanding about the topic. Please watch the video. So in this part I will be discussing the tomb of Sultan Samsuddin Iltutmish. Usually he has cemented the Turkish Empire in India. So cemented means he has built the Turkish Empire in India, who is known as Sultan Iltutmish. Then after he died due to high fever in 1235. Then after in 10th, the tomb of Iltutmish. Here you have to note that. Let me point out the session. The tomb of Iltutmish was the first Islamic tomb in India. The very important point which is going to come in your prelims examination, that which tomb of Islamic culture has been built in India under the under the Islamic rule. Then we can say that Iltutmish tomb is one of the famous tomb which is made a first Islamic tomb in India. Then after, located outside the northwest corner of Qutb-ul-Ha Islam Mosque, so which is located in the northwest. Okay, this also you have to note, make a note about that. Second number point in the form of that. Then after, if I discuss about third number point, which I have pointed out, the third number point is just making a exquisite of workmanship. How the workforce or the labor who are working under the under the manufacturing of the tomb usually place themselves in a very critical situation about the manufacturer, about the design, about the architecture. There are different failures which has been made by them. Each and every process has some failures, right? So unless and until we do not get failure, then we never and ever going to experience success. That's the thing which I am going to stick on. That's the thing I am going to say you, that it has lot of workforce design. Then after, square plan pattern. So what is square plan pattern? So usually in this tomb building they usually prefer square plan pattern or square plan strategy for making the for making the height of the tomb much more prominent, much more heightful. That's the thing. Then after, arched entrance, south, east, southern and northern walls. Usually arched entrances. Usually whenever we are going to enter any mosque or any pillar or any monuments, usually there are different number of entrances. Similarly, there are east, south and northern walls which usually give entrance to the tomb. Then after, western accommodation for three pairs. Usually it is known as mirhabs. So mirhabs are being built by Iltutmish for praying the goddesses, which usually been believed by Islamic culture or Islamic tradition, that three prayers have been making a prominent role in their preparation, in their making prayers to the Allah. So this is the thing which I am going to stick on, or mirhabs, which might be coming in your examination. The three prayer, okay, three prayer inches called mirhabs, which has been in the western side accommodates. Okay, that's the thing. I hope that you have got the sufficient information about the topic, about the Iltutmish tomb and how it has been played a vital role in the development process. Okay, thank you.